Hey everyone, so good morning. We're starting off our soup. I'm gonna just cover it with water for now. And then we got Junior supervising over there. Then we're gonna put some adobo. And this is gonna be a dairy-free chicken enchilada soup. And I have stoplight peppers, some tomato paste, onions, stuff like that, but we'll be adding that after the chicken's cooked. Okay, and then we have southwestern seasoning.
Got all the good stuff going in there.
There we go. Make it nice and spicy. Nah, this isn't that spicy. It's gotta be mom safe. Add your own spice later. Then I'll put that on high and let it cook. And don't worry, Shane, it isn't frozen, okay? We'll live. I promise. And if we don't, well, you know what happened. Okay. We'll be back. So forgive the angle. I was trying to find a place to put the thing where you could see the crock pot and my face. I stood here for like, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
It's in the sink right now, the stand, so. Okay, chicken's done. I'm gonna turn it on low. I already shredded it. It's got lots of flavor. It smells divine. More water. Okay, might need more, but I'll let you know in a minute. Let's see what happens after we add the stuff. Here's onions and cilantro, white onions, because that's what they use at the taco truck. We have stoplight peppers, green, yellow, and red. And though I'm not a big fan of green, it does add that flavor that we're looking for. And plus we need all the colors of the rainbow in our food. Okay, let me stir this up a little. And we couldn't find black beans. I guess we're out.
Yeah.
So, what I'm going to use instead, and it'll add flavor, is ranch style beans. So if you've tried these, you know. They use them in the enchiladas a lot here in Tucumcari at least. I never even heard of them until I moved here. Here, fill this with water. And I got 2 cans. It'll add a little tiny bit of spice, but not so much spice that mom can't eat it. Let's see. Get that nice juice. And then we have a can of whole corn. Gonna mix it up a little bit more. Get it all. Ooh, it's a thick soup.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be a short episode, but it's 102 degrees outside. Summer is officially here.
Yep, as of today.
Yeah, it's officially the first day of summer. Yes, I am filming this on a Wednesday.
It's the summer solstice.
So, there we go.
On the other side of the world, it's the first day of winter.
Okay. Actually, I'm going to turn this back on hot so it'll be done by the time we need it to be done. So, and then also a little bit of lime.
Whole bunch of lime.
So, and more lime. I used a half of a lime in this, and then you can add more when you eat it. So, now that this is all nice and stirred, we'll check out in a little bit, see if we need to add more water. And it is no dairy in here, to my knowledge. Doesn't say anything about dairy, so dairy free. But I am going to add cheese and sour cream to mine. So I'm also going to put mine on rice. That's going to be an optional for whoever. Okay, so we'll be back in a little bit. Thanks. Laters.
Peace.
Hey everyone. So, okay, let's see. Put the soup right here. Already made mom's plate. I'm not gonna lie. Ah, sorry. So Josh cooked some brown rice. And I'm gonna make mine like a little enchilada bowl. So, look at how red and yummy it is. All those veggies. Thumbnail. My mom is having hers like soup. Made a plate for a friend. They're gonna have it like an enchilada bowl. I don't know what Josh is gonna do, so yeah. Yeah, be right back as soon as it cools down a little with the taste reveal. Okay. There it is, like an enchilada bowl. Whoops.
Name. Good catch.
There it is, like an enchilada bowl with some daisy and some crunched up tortilla chips on top.
All kinds of good stuff.
So, it's not too spicy. I got salsa just in case we need some. It's slapping.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Here's for Jesse. I love you. Drive safe. Okay, so I'm gonna try it now. I hear a little pipster squeaking in the background, so I gotta go take care of him in a minute. I think mine needs salsa. Ooh, did you hear that? I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. No jewelry, just puppy. You know, I don't want the puppy to accidentally eat my earrings or something. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The salsa. The salsa really makes it slap. I'm so hungry. I've just been working and working all day, and I'm sorry this is late. Thank you so much for being patient. I know it's not the best video, detail-wise. I've just been burning the candle on all three ends. Excuse me. But no, this is like super really good. The brown rice really helps. The cheese really helps. The salsa made it perfect. I'll put a recipe below that I based this off of. Or maybe I'll just put the recipe that I used. I'm not good at doing recipes, but I remember what I used. Man, this is good. I just nom 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 nom. I gotta feed these dogs and then switch and do that. So, and I better go. Thanks for watching. Till next time, look out for the normal people and stay humble and stay kind. Laters.